Today I will show you how to make this super dope overexposed look. Yo, it's Bovikas here, and let's begin. Alright guys, so in After Effects, I have a clip of Ken Carson just doing something in the basement or something, I don't even know, but it's a super dope clip, and it actually inspired me to link you the sauce on how I do this crazy look. So what we can do is press Ctrl+Y to make a new adjustment layer, and now let's add incredibly the most important effect here, which is going to be just exposure. Yeah, who could have guessed? And this is just going to expose it. So what I like to do, I'm not even gonna lie, I sometimes like to even bump this baby up to like 4, but it's going to be like super exposed, as you can see. Maybe this clip doesn't show the best, like this clip, look before and after, like that's how exposed it's going to be. But like this is generally what I like to do sometimes, but let's just keep it a little bit low key. Let's make it to 2, but you can adjust how much you want. Like look at before and after. It's gonna be a lot of exposure, and we're not done yet, by the way. Like no. Let's go to gamma correction, and here I like to make it to 1.45 to damage the look up a bit more, like to get the brightness out even more. That's exactly what I love to do. And now it's pretty cool to add an effect called posterize, and you can keep it at level 7, but I like to make it to 14, so it's going to be a bit more subtle, and this is pretty much used to make the look feel damaged, like just, you know, corrupt a little bit. And we can also add the effect mosaic, and this one is just gonna damage the look. So with mosaic, I like to make the horizontal blocks to 500, and it's going to, as you see, look pixelated, but let's make the vertical blocks like lower than 500, like way lower, so 175. So the vertical side is gonna look very pixelated, as you can see. And I like to turn on the sharp colors, and that just like makes it pop out, like look before and after. And now we can add an optional effect, by the way. If you don't have this plugin, don't add it because you just don't have the plugin, but it's called SJPEG damage, and SJPEG damage is just amazing for this type of thing. So I like to make the quality to 0.08. It's going to damage it even more, but this is the most fun part. I like to make the resrel X to 5, and yeah, now you just get a fucked up look, like just completely damaged, like super cool. Like look at before and after, just absolutely crazy. I don't know, like. And the last effect I like to add here is to add exposure again, to expose a bit more afterwards. So let's make the exposure here to 0.25. We don't want to make it too high here because it's a bit risky. If you make it too high, it might not even look that good. And let's make the gamma correction to 1.25. And yeah, we have pretty much done it right here. Like look at how it will look before and after. I'm also gonna test out a couple of things. Like look at this effect that I just got right here, which looks absolutely crazy and just super damaged. Like this is like an opium style effect. I dragged and dropped it from my opium presets pack, and just look how like nicely it fits in these type of clips. Like what the hell? Like it works very well for this like overexposed style. I have turned off the overexposed effect, by the way, guys, but I just want to show you guys that you can add like way different variations that are looking super professional and just super cool. So another super cool example I love is like opium free, and I like how this looks on this frame. Like this, on this frame, that is just looking crazy. Wait, look at before and after. What? You know what, let me try out opium 16. Okay, yeah, that is just insane. What? Yeah, what the hell? Like wait, look at this one. Like look at before and after. Or let's just drag and drop opium 1. Let's just try it here. Yeah, wow, that is looking really cool. So if you guys want to add like some crazy variations that are also going to have like this super low resolution look, but just going to fit more for the Ken Carson style, which is like, you know, the opium style, then I would definitely recommend to check out the opium presets, which I will have linked in the description. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it for the video. Have a fun and productive day. See ya.